On the LSAT, not all opposites are created equal. When you need to negate a claim, especially a necessary assumption question, you should reach for the logical opposite, not the polar opposite. The logical opposite is what you use to test whether an argument truly depends on a statement. The polar opposite is usually just an overcorrection. Here's the difference in plain terms. A logical opposite directly denies the original claim. If the statement says, all dogs are friendly, then the logical opposite is not all dogs are friendly, which means at least one dog isn't. A polar opposite, by contrast, flips to the extreme and says no dogs are friendly. That sounds like an opposite, but it's far stronger than what's required to negate the original. Knowing which opposite to use matters across several LSAT tasks. In necessary assumption questions, you can apply the negation test. Negate the contenders using its logical opposite and see if the argument falls apart. If it does, that choice was necessary and is correct. In must-be-true questions, the logical opposite is a useful stress test. If the logical opposite of an answer could still be true without contradicting the stimulus, then that answer wasn't actually supported enough. In cannot-be-true questions, if the logical opposite of an answer must be true given the stimulus, then the original answer cannot be true and is therefore correct. The bottom line is that when negating on the LSAT, think logically, not dramatically. Use the logical opposite to test necessity or to probe what a stimulus truly entails. Don't use the polar opposite.